So what a location for today's kitchen that we're going to be showing you. We are in the Kent countryside in this incredible property. If you look behind you, just a quick tour, they've got this lovely old barn over here with lawn behind you. And then behind you over here, you can see you've got these lawns that run up to the house, which has got this country barn style feel. It's got wooden cladding on it. There's a lake behind it over there. You've got the pool here, the patio that's all just been recently done. This pool house here that's been done. This shelter here with the bar, the dining table, and lastly, but certainly not least, the Burnout outdoor kitchen. So I know I keep saying it on every job that we go to. We are so lucky seeing some of the properties that we do. And this one really is, it's just incredible. I mean, behind me, there's a whole apple orchard there. The customer was saying, like, this afternoon, they're actually going to be picking all of the apples, making jams and things like that. We must be set in, I don't know, 5-6 acres of land. It's got this sweeping driveway that comes up. It's just such a traditional English house. It's absolutely stunning. So let's get onto the kitchen, which is why we're here. So this is a Burnout kitchen. So Burnout are a German manufacturer. They're really high end, really good quality. Everything is made with the best quality products. So they are essentially stainless steel frames with composite doors and drawers and sides. There are lots of different colors and variations to choose from. They have a configurator online that you can go onto. It's really, really easy to use, very easy to play about, create your own kitchen. If you want to go on there and have a play about, you'll get given a code at the end. Send it to us. We can cost it for you and give you any advice. Failing that, just give us a ring or give us an email in the link below, and we can start designing something for you. But like I say, so this is now available in about 6 or 7 different colors. You can actually have the frames powder coated to match the door fronts as well. They come with worktops. So in this case, the customer decided they wanted to have their own worktops, but the Burnout kitchens do come with their own worktops, but it is an option to take those away and have your own ones installed. If you buy them by yourself, each unit will have its own individual worktop, and the worktops that come with the Burnout kitchens are Decton. So Decton's a porcelain. It's a really, really hard-wearing product. It's brilliant for outside, absolutely fantastic. It comes in lots of different colors as well. So let's start talking you through this kitchen. So on the end here, let's start at the end here. So here we've got a 300mm unit, and this is literally a drawer unit. So you've got a 3-drawer unit. Everything is soft close. Coming along to here, you've got the sink unit, and underneath here, you've got the door, and underneath there, you've literally got a shelf, and it gives you access to the water, the waste, and everything else that comes in here. So behind here, you've got the pool room. So that's where all the water, the electric, and everything like that came from as well. This side here, oh, you've got a pull-out waste drawer. And then here, just another drawer there for storage. Storage is so important in an outdoor kitchen. There's so many accessories, utensils, rubs. Even if you want to keep your plates and your glasses and things like that out here, storage is super, super important. Coming along to here, you've got a double stainless steel fridge. So these are essential for keeping all your drinks cold, keeping your food cold. If you've got guests coming here, having a party. I mean, once we'd finished installing this, they actually had a party around the pool for 75 people, which they said was absolutely brilliant. And it was all centered around here in this area around the pool. Coming along to here, we've got just another cupboard here. So that's a 600mm cupboard unit, just for storage. Here we have a 300mm unit. So this is actually a 2-drawer unit. That one over there is a 3-drawer unit. This is a 2-drawer unit. So you've got 2 very, very deep drawers. There is another 300 unit that you can get, which is open. So if you wanted to keep, I don't know, rubs or glasses or whatever you want on there, you can have one so it's open and you can see. Here we've got the Napoleon Pro 500 barbecue. So this is the sort of the younger, the smaller brother of the Pro 665. Again, this is a really, really good grill. It's got 4 main burners and it's got an infrared back burner. It comes with a rotisserie. This is probably 800 mil wide, maybe 900 mil wide, so plenty of space for cooking on there. A really, really good grill. And that sits on top of, everything on that is stainless steel, by the way, and it comes with the President's lifetime limited warranty. Underneath that, that sits on an undergrill unit. So these are 2 900 meter wide drawers, pan drawers. So plenty of space in there for keeping all of your cooking accessories as well, especially the longer bits like rotisseries and things like that. Coming along to here, you've got a 900 mil unit, and that is simply a drawer unit. You've got a cutlery tray on the top there, and then 2 huge pan drawers. Look, they've got their plates and their crockery in there. This here is a Green Egg, so this is a Kamado oven, which is a ceramic oven, very, very good for slow cooking and smoking. It runs on charcoal. You can also cook direct over it as well, cooking directly over the coals. Very, very versatile oven. And underneath there you have another huge pan drawer as well, to keep all your accessories in. And then lastly on the end here, we have another, to match the 300 mil unit on the end, we have another 2 drawer 300 mil unit. We have actually around the back integrated. So this in the corner here is a corner unit, but what we've actually done is put a door at the back of the corner unit, which now houses, it's got a drawer in there, and that houses the gas for the barbecue. So pleased with how this kitchen has turned out. I absolutely love the Burnout kitchens. They're such good quality, and they get installed in a day as well. So there's minimal fuss. You know, if you're having a kitchen, you're having work done in your house, we'll turn up with the units, we'll install them, and then you're good to go by the end of the day. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see another one like this, we'll leave a link up there. If you want to see more videos of what we're doing currently, and if you're looking for some inspirational ideas for your own project, then give us a follow on YouTube. We also have Instagram, we have Facebook, and we try and post on there 2-3 times a week. So if you want to try and keep up to date with what we're up to, give us a follow on there. So thanks very much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.